As an international student, the UCAS clearing process can feel overwhelming and confusing at times. Stick around as we break down the process and make it simple for you. Hello and welcome back to our channel where we guide students and parents and school counselors through every step of the university admission journey. Today, we're talking about UCAS clearing, a pathway that often feels like a lifeline for many students. We'll explain how it works, how to navigate it successfully, and share some pro tips to maximize your chances of securing a spot. So stay tuned. So what is UCAS clearing? Clearing is part of the UCAS application process. It's available to students who didn't receive any offers or declined their offers or applied late. Essentially, it connects you with UK universities that still have available places. Think of it as a second chance to find your ideal university course. Clearing typically begins in July and runs through September. However, most activity happens right after final school results day. That's when many students assess their options and universities actively update their available spots. Keep in mind, you can only enter clearing if you've paid the UCAS application fee and your application status shows you are in clearing or clearing has started. Here are some simple steps to navigate the clearing process. Start by using the UCAS Clearing search tool to look for courses that interest you. Be flexible here. Consider related courses or universities that weren't really originally on your original list or even your backup list. Once you've found options, reach out to the universities directly. Be prepared to discuss your qualifications, why you're interested, and what you bring to the table. If the university offers you a place and you accept, you'll need to add that course as your clearing choice in the UCAS portal. Only do this once you're sure it's the right decision. Here are some tips to consider for success in clearing. First crucial tip is to act quickly. Clearing places fill up so fast, so don't hesitate to make those calls once you've shortlisted your options. Second tip is to stay calm and organized. Have all your documents, your results, and UCAS ID ready before calling any university. A little preparation can make a huge difference. Finally, ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask universities about the course structure, facilities, or accommodation options. You're making an important decision, so gather all the information you need. Sometimes clearing may not lead to the outcome you hoped for. If that happens, depending on your situation, consider options like, for example, taking a gap year to strengthen your application, or maybe applying to other universities internationally, or exploring foundation year courses. Remember, this is just a detour, not the end of your journey. Of course, you can always book a discovery call with us to help you out. To summarize, UCAS clearing can be a fantastic opportunity to find the right course, even if your initial plans didn't work out. So stay proactive, prepared, and flexible, and you'll be surprised by the possibilities that open up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips on navigating your university admission journey. And if you're feeling unsure or overwhelmed, check out the link below to book a one-on-one discovery call with us for personalized advice on the clearing process and more. We're here to help you succeed. See you in our next video.